Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I am Stacey Ann Taylor. My channel, For the Love of Makeup, it is all about makeup. It's all about me learning to do makeup, trying different techniques, trying different products. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming, and if you are not, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, I haven't done a proper tutorial slash video upload for you guys in such a long time. I mean, I don't even have to tell you what's going on. Everybody knows right now with the corona pandemic, we are on a partial lockdown in most countries all over the world. Kids are home, there's a lot going on, so it's kind of difficult to sit down and do a proper video, but I tried my best today to do this one for you guys. Basically all I wanted to do today was sit down, put on some makeup, but I wanted to use budget friendly products. Looking through the video, you'll see a lot of the products that I would have used are local products, local brands, as well as everything else would have been very low cost. I tried to keep everything between the 100-150 bracket and lower. If you guys want to see how I came up with this glam look, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so I already did my brows today and I used my Carmia pencil in dark brown, and to clean up my brows I'm using my Elegant Pro Concealers, and today I am using Toast and Toffee on the top and Toffee on the bottom, sorry, and Toast on the top, and I'm using a started my eye look today for my transition shade. I'm going in with this 868 pink eyeshadow. Well, this pigment, I'm not sure what the names of them are, but they are very pigmented, and if you live in Trinidad they are very accessible and affordable. I think I paid $37 for this, and you can find them on Instagram or on Facebook. That's 868 Pink Cosmetic, and they usually deliver. Right, I'm not sure what will go on right now as we're in quarantine, but it's good information to have for when they do start back, or at least everything goes back to usual. And I'm just gonna go in right, well, not as high as I would usually go, and I'm just patting in the shade. For my lids, I'm going to use these two Sasha Pure Jewels. I'm going to use this one in Pure Gold closer to my inner tear duct, and I'm going to use this one in Party Mask all over my lid. So for foundation today, I'm using my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I'm using this because it is one of my most affordable foundations. I would have paid $50 for this in Pennywise or in Wonderful World, and it has a beautiful coverage, and in keep on the line of the whole low cost look, we're going with this today. So because this foundation tends to go a bit more red than I want, I'm using 3 different concealers just to balance out the look of my face. To highlight, I am using a mix of medium beige and toast, and for my contour, I am using mahogany. So these 3 concealers, I will kind of blend it together with the foundation just to get the color that I want. So I'm going to be setting my face today using my Fit Me in 40 Dark, and this is what I'm going to use to set the majority of my face. Usually I would go in with the Buttercup for most of the areas, but I don't want my face to be too highlighted, and again we're trying to keep it more affordable, and I know Buttercup can be a little expensive, and these usually retail for about $60 something. So this is actually cheaper than the Buttercup. So I will use this on parts of my face, and I will use the lighter one for the parts that I want to be highlighted. So for under my eyes, I'm going in with my Crystal Shining palette, and I'm going to go in with this kind of aquamarine green, and I'm just going to run it under my waterline. And you guys know that I love to use a pop of color that is not necessarily a shade that I would have used on top, and this is just to make it a little more interesting. So for my blush and highlight, I'm going in with 2 Milani products here. This is the Milani Powder Blush in Romantic Rose, and this is the Baked Bronzer in Soleil. And again, you all know Milani is also a very inexpensive brand. It's probably a little difficult to get your hands on in Trinidad, but I know in Wonderful World you would have gotten it at reasonable prices, and I know sometimes they even have sale on the Milani products, and these would both be less than $100 each. for my lips, I'm using another local brand combo, and this is the Liquid Matte Lipstick by Ellen Beauty Cosmetics in Tamarind, as well as my Sasha Velvet Matte in Trophy Wife. And I'm going to use this as a liner for my lips, and then this one just to fill in the rest of my lips. This liquid lip, it tends to be a bit drying sometimes, so that's why I don't really go for it all the time, as well as it's very, very dark. So when you're doing an ombre lip, sometimes it may be a bit too dark, but it does stay extremely matte for very, very long periods of time, and I guess that's what the purpose of it, and that's probably why it's so dry. But it's a really good lip. You just have to be a little careful when you're using it, or probably just use a moisturizer on your lip before you go in with it. Alright guys, and this is the end result. As always, let me know what you think about it in the comments. Now, from the beginning of this tutorial, I would have told you guys that this is a very affordable look. The most expensive thing that I would have used today would be this dessert palette from Carissa Channing, and this palette itself would have costed me like $165, and I think you could even get it for cheaper right now. I've done many looks using this palette. It's a gorgeous palette, and it's very available, easily accessible in Trinidad and Tobago because it is locally it's a local brand, as well as the other pigments that I would have used on my eyes, which are the 868 pigments. These cost $37, I think. I think when I paid for this, it was $37 TT. And these pigments from Sasha, you guys know these are very affordable as well. I think they are about $50, less than $50 each, and you get a lot of product. Everything else that you would have used on my face would have cost less than $100. Even to the foundation, I paid $50 for that. The powders, they cost less than $70 for each. The highlighter and concealers, all those things, you guys, those are products that I use regularly, and you know that they are very affordable. And look at the look that I was able to achieve with this. This is a beautiful look. I mean, my hair a little crazy, the bantu knots didn't come out as I wanted it to, but overall I'm really happy with the overall look today. As well as my lips, I didn't mention my lips. Those lippies that I use as well, they are all less than $80 each. You all know Sasha is very affordable, and the Island Beauty, I think I paid about $65 for that. So if you guys want to see more videos like this where I use low cost budget friendly products, please let me know in the comment. I have a lot. You guys know whenever I shop for me, I buy a very affordable stuff, and I try to support local. So let me know what you think in the comment. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I will try my best to satisfy you guys. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.